Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials and taking action now. Pick a template sheet and place it on a flat surface. Use a black pen so strokes scan cleanly. Once done, write a complete set. Capitals, lowercase, numbers, punctuation. Aim for 20 to 100 distinct glyphs. Make sure to label each box with the character code or name for later reference. Scan or photograph at 300 to 600 dpi, keep the page flat, and save files as PNG or TIFF for highest quality. You now convert ink to clean digital strokes. Import scan pages into an editor and use levels to increase contrast. Remove the background so strokes are pure black. Next, isolate each glyph and export them as individual PNGs with transparent backgrounds. Once exported, either manually trace each glyph with a vector pen tool or use AutoTrace to create SVG outlines. Save and organize files with consistent names. These vector shapes are what font editors will import, so make sure curves are smooth and closed. You finish by assembling and testing the font. Import your SVGs into a font editor, assign each glyph to the correct Unicode slot, and set global metrics like ascender, descender, and units per em. Then adjust side bearings and create essential kerning pairs for common letter combinations. Export an OTF or TTF and install it to test in real applications. If spacing feels off, revisit metrics and kerning. Troubleshooting tip: if glyphs appear cut off, increase the font's units per em.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.